Oh, there it was. People in the Bay Area actually felt heterophobic. Today I decided to come to Evansville, Indiana. I've never even heard of the place, but I decided to just come down here because they have a pretty cool skate park. I'm going to try the skate park for a little while and then look at the city a little bit. I don't know, we'll see how this goes. These roads are shit, I'll tell you what. Uh-oh, got some closed roads. Guess we're taking a detour. Oh, there's a little party or something going on down there. We got a little Saturday event. Looks like a pride. I see some rainbow skirts from all the way over here. This might be just a pride party. Come and get your gay on. Wonder if I can get to the skate park. I see the skate park. So around like 10 in the morning, I was like, man, I just need to go somewhere. I'm just gonna go somewhere new. So I ended up just like taking my bike down here, getting like a little cheap $50 hotel. And this is where I'm at today. Oh shit, I can't go this way. There's just no way I can just sit in a house and like not do anything, not interact with anyone. Like I don't want to put myself in prison, you know? Alright, well, here at the skate park, and there are actually people out, like holy shit. Man, there's something wrong with St. Louis, man. I hate to keep bringing it up, but like no one does anything there. I'm not actually that much of a park skater, but I do like exploring new parks. One of my favorite parks in the U.S. is, what is it? It's the one in Des Moines, Iowa. I don't know the name of it. It's on the river. Big air. Oh, it's nice over here. Really nice sized half pipe. We got the people my age and up right now. Oh, everything's coping too. Every edge of the park has a coping. That's nice. Except that edge. Rent scared the shit out of me. I don't know what it is about going up one angle and then going down one angle that my mind just can't process it, and I just throw the board away. It was a nice little park. Everything's not too huge, so you can get all the fundamentals down. Really nice weather too. I think we're a bit further south than St. Louis, so it probably stays nicer for a little longer. I wonder if they get snow. They probably do. Ah, scary. All you gotta do is nail the other side. That's all you gotta do. No science. All feels. Let's go! Let me go a little slower. Let me put my training wheels on. There we go. See if I can go up. Woo! Big air. Alright. Now it's easy. Now I know how to do it. Alright, I'm talking shit in my own mind. It ain't working. Come on. Now it's easy, now I know how to do it. Come on. Oh, it's like my ollie went haywire too. Nice, dude. My feet literally don't want to do it. I mentally can't even ollie. I just instantly just throw it away. Do a little backside air over here. Ooh, missed my pop. Wow, that's sticky. Why is that sticky? No, I'm sticky. It's fine. Alright, back to the ramp. Come on. Ah, going up it is fine. Going down is like something crazy. I don't think I'm pumping in time. Okay, I got it. I have to start unloading my jump as I'm going up the ramp instead of waiting until I'm at the last point of the ramp. I think I found it. Yeah, okay, I feel so much better. It doesn't feel like I'm being compressed into it. Oh, that feels beautiful. Holy shit. Oh, unloading your jump while you're going up it gives me so much more height. Holy shit. Let's see if I can do the really mellow stair rail. It only has like 2 degrees of angle to it. I could probably do it in a few tries. Yeah, I can do that. Yeah. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. It's not tall enough to sack you. So you get on. If you miss, you can always just walk out. Just stay on your feet. Stay on top of the rail. Alright, second try. Oh, fuck. Come on. It's all mental. Got it. Feet over the rail. Now land on the board with your feet. Oh, there it was. This shouldn't take me 50 tries, man. It's so small. Come on, just hop on. Hop on, get off. Hop on, get off. Oh, come on. It's right there. Just do it. Come on. There it is. Yes. Now I'm done. I wish more parks were like that. It's very mellow. It's really good for beginners and people that want to become intermediate. Nothing's like too big. It's pretty accessible. I got so much energy, even after a 3-4 hour ride. That's the importance of staying in shape. You have energy you don't even know what to do with. Man, I wish I had an exhaust on my bike. I bought one at one point, but since I'm going to be leaving the US soon for a little while, I decided to return it and just keep the extra money so I can just use it to enjoy myself while I'm out in the country for a little while. I'm going to be making vlogs about that stuff too. It's mostly going to be with the meta glasses, so it's going to be in a weird format, but I don't know, it should be pretty enjoyable. Hopefully I get some more skate clips while I'm out and about. Should I go to the Pride Festival? Get my gay on? Weird thing about that, actually. I was living in San Francisco for a little while, and I remember there was a time where the people in the Bay Area actually felt like they were a bit heterophobic for a little while. It was kind of insane. Like they let the gay people, men and men, women and women, do whatever they wanted. But if I were there with a chick or something and I was making out with her and stuff, they would try to shame that and tell me to get out. It's really weird. I don't know why they were doing that stuff. Like you had men going into the bathroom with each other, you had women going to the bathroom with each other. But if a guy and girl go into the bathroom with each other, then all of a sudden they need to call security. It's really weird. Really weird stuff. I don't really miss San Francisco that much. There was a lot to skate there. I actually had some friends there, but the cost of living is just way too high. And they kept wanting to vote for like socialism and shit. There's something going on here. Everyone's dressed really nice. Looks like church. Man, I love me a nice flower dress. I wish women wear flowery dresses more often.